Welcome to Clutch Zone.
BMW Motorrad has announced a successor to the R9T for 2024, the BMW R12 This new model announcement comes exactly 10 years after the launch of the R9T and is presented in celebration of 100 years of BMW Motorrad. The R12 shares many similarities with the R9T platform but features updates and a more classic design. More details are expected later in the year. The BMW R9 was introduced in 2013 with a classic roadster design and a focus on customization options. Since then, BMW has added to spin-off models including the Enduro-inspired R9 Urban GS, the R9 Scrambler, and the stripped-down R9 Pure. BMW says the focus on customization will continue with the new R12 The R9 and its customizing concept established the new heritage experience for BMW Motorrad's 90th birthday and has become an indispensable cornerstone of our model range. The new R12 continues the successful heritage story surrounding the legendary BMW Boxer engines with an even more classic, reduced design language, even greater degrees of freedom when it comes to customizing and, last but not least, new and innovative technology. BMW is well known for its Boxer engines. In fact, the very first BMW motorcycle, the R32, was powered by a flat twin Boxer. The R12 continues that legacy with an air-cooled two-cylinder 1170cc Boxer engine, like the R9 before it. The addition of the number 12 in the model name reflects the engine's displacement, a naming technique used for other BMW models. The purist design language is dominated by the clear tank seat rear line, in the style of the traditional 5 or the legendary R90S of the 70s. At first glance, the tank itself is a classic BMW Boxer tank, with a typical bend in the lower edge and classic knee contact. The new R12 also features side covers in the area of the frame triangle in the authentic roadster look, another reminiscence of BMW motorcycles of the 1970s. The BMW R12 will have a redesigned exhaust system with a double muffler and conical end pieces, as well as a redesigned intake system and front fender. The LED taillight unit is now integrated into the seat. So, this is my final verdict on BMW R12 Some won't enjoy the characteristics of the R12 the rocking movement of the motor, the pull of the shaft drive, and a gearbox that isn't the quickest or slickest by modern standards won't flap everyone's flag. But in this class of retro cool, where authenticity is the most valuable commodity of all, the character and mechanical intimacy of the air-cooled Boxer engine are exactly what many of us want.